Hey everyone, welcome back. This is my outfit for today. We are in Waynad now. After Wildlife Sanctuary, we have continued our journey to Waynad. It took us almost 1.5 hours. And we are staying at Zevon Holiday Home. It is a pretty cool villa with 2 bedrooms. We are only 5 members, but this place can host up to 8 members. The maintenance is good. This is the quick tour of the hotel. But here's the thing that when we reached here, it's almost 9 pm and the way to here is very dark. From the parking, we walked down the hill for 5 minutes, and with the rain, we got a little bit of scary. Because of the rain, I think there are leeches around here. But at morning, when we saw the surroundings and everything, we are a little bit shocked because at night it's totally different and it's very beautiful. The sceneries and the surrounding of the places and the property, totally it's very beautiful. And now our morning destination is to reach Soochipara Waterfalls. It's around 7 am now. The roads and every little corner of this place is very beautiful. I think my camera is unable to capture the exactly how the location is seeming, but trust me, the place is 10 times more better than what it is being on the screen. We have stopped at these locations to take some pictures for Instagram. At around 8 o'clock, we have reached the waterfalls, but it has been pouring since we left the wildlife sanctuary yesterday. The place is very beautiful. It's very moist here. Even our hair gets very wet while we are walking. We have to walk almost 30 minutes to reach the waterfalls. The place is very beautiful. It's definitely a must visit place. As we reached early in the morning, the place is less crowded. Make sure when you visit these places to reach early. And for lunch, we have stopped at this restaurant. And after the lunch, we have reached Bansura Dam. The place is so beautiful. There are some boat rides here, but as we reached at 5 pm, we didn't get to go for any rides. They are almost closing at this time, so make sure you come early. After getting dinner, we headed to our stay. The property name is called as Kainor Villas. I will include all the details in the upcoming video.